Tara loved reading books. Every evening, she sat on her bed and opened a new story. Reading was her favorite thing to do after school. Today, Tara was reading a magical adventure. The story was exciting, and she could not stop turning the pages. She reads every day.
Suddenly, Tara noticed tiny glowing sparkles near the wall of her room. She looked up and wondered what they were. What is that? The sparkles became brighter and started moving together. Tara watched carefully as something strange began to happen. Something magical appears.
A glowing golden door slowly appeared on the wall. Tara had never seen anything like it before. A secret door.
Tara stood up and walked closer to the door. She felt excited, but she was also a little nervous. Tara is curious.
She reached out her hand and gently touched the shining door handle. The handle felt warm and magical. Should I open it?
Slowly, Tara opened the door. A bright light filled the room and made everything glow. Tara stepped through the doorway. In just one moment, she found herself in a completely different world. Wow!
Floating islands filled the sky. Waterfalls flowed through the clouds, and colorful lights danced everywhere.
A magical world. Tara looked around with amazement. Everything she saw seemed magical and beautiful. It's beautiful. Glowing butterflies flew around her. Their wings sparkled with many different colors. The butterflies flew down a small path. Curious to learn more, Tara followed them. Along the path, Tara discovered giant crystal flowers. They glowed softly in the magical sunlight.
Then she noticed a small rabbit hiding behind the flowers. Its eyes shone with a magical blue light.
Who's that?
The rabbit hopped forward and smiled kindly. It did not seem afraid at all. A magical rabbit.
The rabbit greeted Tara as if it already knew her. Tara listened carefully. Tara was surprised. She had never met a talking rabbit before. Who are you?
The rabbit lifted one paw and pointed toward the distant sky.
Look there.
Tara's eyes followed the rabbit's paw, her mouth opening a soft gasp of wonder. She leaned forward, captivated by the magical sight. Far above the clouds stood a magnificent floating castle. Its towers sparkled in the sunlight.
Tara stared at the castle and wondered who lived there and what secrets it held. The rabbit explained that the magical kingdom needed help. Something important had gone wrong.
Tara took a deep breath and smiled. She was ready for a new adventure.
I will help. Together, Tara and the rabbit started walking toward the floating castle. Their adventure was only beginning.